everyone, I am Eliza Canubas.
And I am Marian Avayansao.
This is the second part of our investigation of the suspect in the recent haste.
Exactly, and in keeping with that, the stolen files of a data management report attached them that we were unable to decipher because it was all about mathematics. Our title for today's segment, Weaponized Data Management upon Unveiling the World.
With the theme, Optimization, Practicality of Data within the Bounds of Policy and Regulation. For the objectives, define and explain the process in gathering and organizing of data. Be cognizant of the usefulness of data management. Knowing an integral part of data management and security pieces of information aligned with gathering and organizing data, measuring central tendency, and measuring relative position.
Our segment for today revolves around data management, gathering and organizing data, measures of central tendency, and measures of relative position.
However, before we get started with the main event, here are a few tidbits of trivia that will be covered later. Only two of this will be necessary for you to know what would happen afterwards. Did you know or do you want to know about gathering and organizing data? Oh, I can hear you! That's the spirit, everyone. Now, a collection of data is called data set, and the categories are categorical and continuous data. Categorical data are nominal and ordinal scales, while continuous data are ratio and interval scales.
That's a lot of information, but do you want to know a secret? Say it, but only a whisper. We could risk it for her to know that you will learn from it. That's good enough. Did you know that a variable refers to a property that can take on different values or categories which cannot be predicted with certainty? Can't wait to solve this never-ending episode of Mystery and Adventure, partner. But without anything else, let us give a warm welcome to the CCSA stage.
Hello ladies and gentlemen! Welcome everybody to CCSA 6. We have two teams competing, the Superfans and the Superstar. The team who will lose will face consequences. Meanwhile, the winning team will receive $15,000. I'll say it again, $15,000! So without further ado, let's get started. Let's now welcome our guest.
Hello, Eliza!
Yes, there is something and there is nothing, there is nothing in between.
Stay tuned, relax, and enjoy the rest of the show, everybody, as we will start the CCSA says. Let's see the board of categories. Attention players, please listen carefully. The board of categories will be picked through drop and point, and please pick a representative. And the game begins.
Jack and boy, hali-hali boy. Sino matalo, Jack and boy.
Okay, Miss Blase, please pick your category.
I think we would like to pick the computational.
Okay, thank you. The first category is computational. The first question is, the ages of 10 administrators in a certain college are given as follows. Compute the median. 40, 38, 45, 50, 44, 53, 59, 45, 56, and 45.
We are confident that it is 78.
Wow! But I'm terribly sorry, Superstar Duo, you are wrong. Superfan Trio, you still have a chance.
We think that it is 45 plus 51 divided 2 equals 48. So the median is 48.
Sorry, Superfan Trio, but you are correct! So the Superfan Trio will get the first 25 points. The second question will be gone like this. The sizes of pens sold during one business day in a department store are 32, 38, 34, 42, 36, 34, 40, 44, 32, and 34. Find the average size of the pens sold.
Adding up all the sizes, we get 32 plus 38 plus 34 plus 42 plus 36 plus 34 plus 40 plus 44 plus 32 plus 34 is equals to 366. Therefore, the average size of pants sold during one business day in the department store is 36.6.
Wow, that was a very brief explanation, Superstar Duo, and you correspond to the correct answer. Both of you got already 25 points. That's the end of the first category. And now I need another representatives for our drop and point.
I would like to take the fact or bluff.
Okay, thank you. Our second category is fact or bluff. The first question is the hair color of a woman on the high school badminton team. The statement above is a qualitative variable. Is it fact or bluff?
We firmly believe that it is fact.
Super Fun Trio, you get the correct answer. Discrete data, numerical data, which can take away value in a given range. Examples include age, height, and weight. Is it fact or bluff?
Bluff.
The correct answer is continuous data because discrete data is a data that must take one of a set of certain values. For example, the number of people in a room cannot be 5.25. It can only take a whole number value such as 5.
Yes, you are correct. So both of you got 75 points. That's the end of our second category. And now, representative please.
Hal-hal ko. Sinong matalo na siyang tubo? I would like the fill in the blank.
Quite hesitant but for sure, we'll get the right answer. Thank you, Miss Blase. Our third category will be fill in the blanks. Number 1, blank uses statements with numerals in order to describe the data for the concrete information and in expository form.
Textbook presentation.
Correct! Sharp as ever, you gain 5 points with that. Next, blank uses statistical table to directly display the quantities or values collected as data.
Graphical presentation.
Very ethical as ever, but you are incorrect. Superstar Duo, you still have a chance.
Tabular presentation.
And that is correct. You've gained another 5 points. Superstar Duo 85 points, while Super Fun Trio has 75 points. Next, blank illustrates data in a form of graphs, aiding readers to understand the text easily.
I am sure this time the graphical presentation.
You're sure, but that is the correct answer. Last one for this category. Blank determines a numerical value in the central region of a distribution of scores.
I think, mean.
Nice presentation. Nice guessing, Miss Blase, but you are incorrect. Yes, Miss Sidenia?
I firmly and absolutely believe it is central tendency.
Very good presentation. Oh, very good answers because you are correct. And then again, both teams are tied. But before we proceed, let's watch some mathematical trivia from the MMW Buzz.
What an outstanding game show we have! But here is the first trivia. Any given data and statistics are useless if we don't interpret them.
The most appropriate measures found to be useful in describing a distribution of observations are the measure of relative position, z-scores, box and whisker plots, probability and normal curves, linear regression, and correlation.
Quantitative variable is one that can be measured and ordered according to quantity, while a qualitative variable is one simply used as labels to distinguish one group from another. And that's our trivia at this moment. Let us continue to embark on the CCSA says.
Welcome back, everyone. Please step forward, representatives.
Jack and Paul. Sinong matalo na siyang tubo?
I would like to do the identification.
Identification it is. First, identify the 3 measures of central tendency. Yes, Mr. Calyao.
Mean, median, mode.
I think it is right. Superfun gained 110 points while Superstars gained 90 points. Habol-habol mga sis, please step forward, the representatives.
Jack and Paul. Sinong matalo na siyang tubo? I like it hard and rough, so please, I want the problem solving.
It's not obvious that you like it hard, Miss Blase. And here is the problem-solving category. We have 20 seconds on the clock. First, we have the percentile, wherein it is one way of assessing performance through the use of percent. Find the 72 pesos, and in the board is the statistics result. Your time starts now. Based on the results, we have only one correct answer. And that is, congratulations, Team Superstars! We have a tie of 110 points. Next one is quartiles are points that divide a distribution into 4 equal parts. Box and whisker plot and interquartile range. For 4, 17, 7, 14, 18, 12, 3, 16, 10, 4, 4, 11. And we have 2 correct answers. That means both teams got 20 points. And another tied moment. And here is the last part of the category. The deciles are points that divide a distribution into 10 equal parts. Find the median of the following data set using the concept of decile. And again, for the infinite times, we have a tie of 130 points. Since the board of category has only one option left, and it is the defined or you need to tell me the correct exposition of the question. This will serve as the tiebreaker or the last category to determine the winner of CCSA 6. And this question is equivalent to 100 points. And we are now into the deciding category of the game. Mathematics and statistics are useful as a tool.
Statistics is a branch of applied mathematics that deals with gathering, organizing, presenting, analyzing, and interpreting the collected data. In performing all these processes involve the application of statistical tools and techniques is necessary. Two branches of statistics, descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. Descriptive involves the collecting, organizing, describing, summarizing, and presenting gathered data, while inferential refers to the drawing of conclusion and making decision on the population based on evidence obtained from sample.
And ladies and gentlemen, we have now the winner, the superstar duo. So now the losing team will face the consequences. Marlon will push to a swimming pool. Lauren will drink a dash of vinegar. And Caballas will be slapped to a plate full of flour.
Love mathematics.
So this is the end of the game show entitled CCSA Says. See you everyone on the next episodes of CCSA Says.
That is a bit of fun to divert our attention from the investigation. But surely we learned a lot from this segment, and we will no longer hold you long since time is ticking. Just remember that the tool which serves as intermediary between theory and practice, between thought and observation, is mathematics. It is mathematics which builds the Lincoln bridges and gives the ever more reliable forms. A quote by David Hilbert.
Thank you so much for listening everyone. See you next time. This is the MMW Buzz.
The moment, memories, and worldly buzz.
Goodbye everyone.